Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This video is a short makeup tutorial, and even though I'm calling it a makeup tutorial, let me just say up front that I am not a makeup expert. I just kind of apply the makeup to create a look that, in my opinion, looks good on me. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you to all who subscribe to my channel. Thank you for tapping into this video as well. If you are not one of my subscribers, please hang around to check out the final look that I achieved in this video. But also go back please and look at some of the videos where I do home decor design and tips. I'm also a professional stager. In this video, I'm actually preparing to go to church, and I'm just sharing with you the application of my makeup. I always go with the neutral look. Lately, I have been applying a little more eyeshadow to give color and definition to the eyes. But other than that, I'm pretty much a neutral type of girl. I'm not showing you the products that I'm using, but they are MAC products. I use NYX. I also use the Renaissance palette. I'll use drugstore brand. It doesn't have to be expensive makeup products because, again, makeup is not my signature talent. My signature talent is home decor, design, and tips. But I just wanted to show you how I chose, or how I'm applying the makeup to bring this look together to create what I believe is a classy but neutral look for Sunday worship service. And again, if you are not one of my subscribers and you've tapped into this video, thank you for clicking on it. Thank you for continuing to watch. Please continue to watch to the end, but also go back and look at some of my videos on my channel where you will see what I do in the area of home decor, designs, and tips. I teach and talk what's called the color palette series. It teaches you how to mix and match your colors to create a cohesive palette, ceiling to floor, floor to ceiling. That's very important, especially if you live in an open concept home or you have an open concept floor plan, as I do within my home. I'm almost to the end. I am applying the lip gloss, and in a few minutes you will see the final look of how I brought this palette together.